What's up guys, today we are going to unbox this giant 9x9 Rubik's Cube. Oh yes. A bit useless, it's protective, but let's throw it away. Wow, it's pretty heavy. How do you open this? Oh, I'm kind of disappointed with the turning. Oh, I didn't expect that. No. Let's do a J-burn. Not that fast. Of course, it's an eyeway. Yes. Wow, that looks incredible. Let's compare it to my 1x1, which is homemade. Wow, that's a difference. I don't think it is magnetic, right? No. There is no way this is magnetic, I don't think so. Definitely not. Thank you so much for watching, I'll see you in my next video.